other really important thing is that if you say that so and so has become rich in the stock market, so let me see what they did and let me follow that path. In itself, this is a wrong question to ask. You have to ask that for of all the people who followed a strategy, what happened to them. So for example, if you have a very high risk strategy, so if you have a strategy which, let us say, if 100 people start, at the end of 1 year 90 would have gone bankrupt, but the 10 people who are left will have made 10 times the money. So you play this thing in 5 rounds. So in 5 years,
Just one person will be
one person will be there who would have made out like
immense
money, and everybody else would have gone bankrupt. Now you say this guy has made like whatever 100 rupees into 1 crore or equivalent. So so let me follow this person. But of everybody who followed a strategy, what happened to them? So if you look at for example, if you follow a very high risk strategy, which has that, like if 100 people start playing that game, at the end of 1 year 90 will go bankrupt, 10 will have their money go up 10 times. So if you do that, then you play that for 5 years, at the end of it there will be only 1% left, but that 1% would have made like 1 lakh into 10,000 crores or something like that. And now you will say that this person has done this, so let me do exactly what they did. But if you do that, there's a 99% chance that you will go bankrupt. So that's the thing. So you have to look at not what did rich people do or successful people do, but of everybody who followed a strategy, what happened to them. So Rakesh also, I remember somebody asked him in an interview that you made your first round of money through trading and now you tell people not to trade. So, why? So he said, like, I might be smoking, but I tell my children not to smoke. So it is like that just because it worked for me doesn't mean it was a good thing to do.